with photography, it can be hard to know what equipment you need for the subjects that you're trying to shoot. When it comes to wildlife photography, there are two lenses which I use all the time depending on which animal I am trying to capture. In this video, I'm going to explain what those lenses are and when I use them. I use Canon gear, but most camera manufacturers will have their own equivalent lenses to the ones I am talking about today. The first lens I have here is my Canon 100mm macro lens. This has to be my favourite lens as it is perfect for getting close to small animals such as insects, reptiles, crustaceans and even small fish when shooting underwater. Because of the macro capability of this lens, it allows you to get very close to the animal so that you can fill the frame with the animal or even just capture part of the animal such as just the head. Getting close to a subject also makes it a lot easier to get that blurry or bokeh background effect, which is often desirable in wildlife photography. Although this lens is designed for macro, it can also be used for subjects which are further away. Therefore, I have used it to capture pictures of birds, wallabies, larger reptiles, and even monkeys. A lot of these animals will come within a few meters of you, but won't let you put the camera right in their face, which makes that 100mm focal length perfect for this. The other lens I use for wildlife photography is this 100 to 400mm telephoto lens. I mainly use this lens for bird photography as it allows you to photograph something that is quite far away, and birds often don't come close enough to use that 100mm lens. But this lens can be used for any subject that is far away or subjects that you can't safely get close to, like this crocodile that I shot from the safety of a boat. It would also be a great lens to use if you were on safari. Again, I've used this lens to get pictures of monkeys whilst I was on a walking tour in Indonesia. Because this lens is designed for faraway subjects, you will struggle to get pictures of anything that is close to you. The two lenses I have mentioned in this video will cover most of your wildlife photography needs. But if you are serious about your wildlife photography and you have the money to spend, then you may want to look into getting a 600mm lens or even a longer lens than that. The 600mm is on my wish list as it is something that allows you to get photos of animals that are even further away. So it would allow me even more opportunities with bird photography. Now, if you have any questions about wildlife photography, please drop them in the comments for me. There is also some links in the description to other videos on wildlife photography and videos on how lenses work and different types of lenses. So make sure you go and check them out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again next week. Bye bye.